Hi guys, and welcome to Yes You Can channel. In today's video, I will show you how to set your time and date for your Peugeot 208. Yes, your inbuilt stereo system. It's got a date and time, and I will show you how to set it. Okay, let's go. Tap onto menu. Now system, date and time is here. So this is how to adjust the time. First, look, as you can see, you cannot enter nothing. So what you need to do, clear it, and then you can enter the digits. Look, yet again, I cannot enter. So you have to clear it with the back arrow key and then enter and then confirm. So that's how you set the time. Now I will show you how to adjust the date. It's the same procedure. So yet again, I cannot enter anything. So delete it with the back arrow key. Enter the date. Of course, your one is going to be different to mine. So just remember, every time you want to enter new digits on your date and time, you have to press the back arrow key. And then confirm button, and then you're all good to go. It's set. Can you please like and subscribe to the channel if you found this video useful?